How to know if my account on TikTok is in good standing. So in this video, I'll show you how you can find out if your account is not violating any guidelines and making sure that it is good standing. So I'll show you how to check that here. Now, go over to your profile, click profile, and then head over to the top right hand corner and click those three lines you can see on my screen. Now click on the TikTok Studio option here, and you're going to want to scroll down until you find more tools, and the very first option is going to be account check. Now click on account check, and then it's going to give you the whole status here, and basically it's going to check your account if you're violating any guidelines or all of that, or potential videos that violate guidelines. So you can see here that my account was in good standing for a bit there, but we have videos that are violating guidelines here, so those will be ideal to maybe private or delete if you want. You can see here that just going through all of the videos, and those are 23 recent posts that don't meet their guidelines, and you could check them yourself. Ineligible for recommendation. Now you could even click why it's not eligible for recommendation here. Video not eligible. This video is not eligible for you because it violates our community guidelines, and it says right here it's unoriginal, low quality, and QR code content. So basically, that's how you find out if your account is in good standing. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if your account is in good standing. Other than that, I'll see you all for the next